Antimong sentro ning Pampanga, king syudad San Fernando, lakano mayakit ding dakala establisimentong memuklat na, ang poreng empleyadong megumpisa ng magobra. Makanyan pa man atin la pamurin kanong obligasyon deti keng city government. Iting siguraduan na mikakalat king lugal pipagobran in COVID-19. Inyanon pakwanan do pamuring health pass, reng sablang magobra king syudad. Partinya kanu itining reporting, monitoring at contact tracing agagawa ng COVID-19 Emergency Operation Center ning San Fernando.
First is to monitor those who are working, nino po rin lulwal. Another is kareta pong lulwal, nino po rin masakit, and nino po in continuous. And the sustainability of this, kailangan akay tayo.
Dati ng requirement iti kareng magobra San Fernando, inya mungeni, gewa deng renewable balang kalabing apataldo.
Dapat ini talaga tang 14 days, alalawe tamo. Kasi every 14 days, somebody gets sick, somebody gets the virus, makanit. So, as much as possible, deta pa pong early signs pa mo para alinala pulalala, akakakita na lang, and matest na lang.
Obligado la naman kanu deng human resource o HR dareng balang kumpanya na mamya daily monitoring report dareng karelang talapagobra.
Or the human resource themselves, ila pong i-empower me to monitor their employees. The monitoring will be daily, monitoring among their establishments will be daily, and the reporting to us is every 2 weeks.
Para kareng kumpanya na agyong mag-conduct health assessment kareng karelang empleyado, ila na mo rin kanong mag-submit worker certificate king City Hall bang mi-issuehan lang health pass ding karelang magobra. Nung sakali namang era agyo ring kumpanyang iti, muntala ring Fernandino workers kareng Barangay Health Center king syudad at pakiting ID o Certificate of Employment. Mag-request lang health assessment at nung mipasarla, mi-issuehan lang namang health pass. Deng transient workers o magobra mo San Fernando pero alila tagaketi, muntala keng triage facility ng syudad, bangka rin magpa-assess. Karinala mo naman mi-issuean health pass nung alalang sakit. Kareng Fernandino na magobra kilwal ng syudad, medical certificate mo kanuing mi biya karela. Kareng mi bagsak keng health assessment pauli ning sintomas ng COVID-19, agad lang i-isolate deti at mi-refer para king testing.
But now, we can do testing for those who have symptoms, and then afterwards, we can isolate them. We have DOH accredited facility na pwede tamo kong gamitan.
Diyan na Lumbang Parungaw, CLTV News.